and sorry to the governing bodies, that eclipses all belts. And we just got to be a little bit careful, because you may be on the verge of going, do you know what? Let's just get rid of politics right now. Let's just drop all the belts, because if we lose one belt, we might as well lose them all.
And then you have to pay sanctioning fees.
Exactly, and step aside. So, you know, it gets to a stage where you've got the biggest fight in world boxing, you're paying each governing body hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now you've got another guy who probably wants 7 figures to step aside. So we just got to be careful, because ultimately the aim of this fight has always been to be for the undisputed championship. When Anthony Joshua came into my office many years ago, that was always the dream. And we will do whatever we can to make sure that every belt in boxing is on the line in the Tyson Fury fight. What we won't be, and what we won't do, is we won't be held to ransom, and we won't let politics get involved in a fight that boxing needs.